Hey, so I'm checking in. Ton of stuff is going on around here. If you look around here, you can see there's stuff there and stuff laying around here, and well, I guess it doesn't look that bad. It just looks like I haven't picked up my kitchen. But the bottom line is we are packing up to get ready to move to Texas. Here's how the day went. First of all, I didn't check in yesterday. I'll explain that. I got a lot to share with you today, so just hang tight because I'm going to squirrel and in and out like no tomorrow, and just hopefully you can track with me on this one. So, where do I start? Yesterday, I did not log my day. However, I did well. I did well when it came to food. Emotionally, wow. Complete meltdown. It hit me. I went out running errands with my mom. And as we were driving down the roads that I'm used to driving down in our town and everything else, it occurred to me, wow, like I probably won't be around here again. I mean, someday, right? Because we haven't sold a house. But the realization that come next week, I'm not going to be here. And then I got home and she asked for a hug and she said, I miss you already. And even telling you right now, it chokes me up. It's going to be tough, you know? So I had a complete meltdown. Now, what did I do about it? This is a victory. I did not go grab something to eat, which is what I wanted to do because I hadn't eaten all day. And it was kind of a weird dichotomy. What happened was I was hungry. There's two things I want to share with this. I was really, really hungry, but I did not get to that point where I would typically get when I'm eating a lot of carbs and sugar, where I was like, oh my gosh, I'm hungry. I've got to eat right now. Pull in somewhere. I've got to eat. I didn't get like that, but I knew I was hungry. And I was really hungry. But it was okay. It's like, okay, I'm really hungry. I can feel it. But I'm not starving. I've got to eat something. So that happened. The second thing was, what was the second thing? The second thing was that I wanted to go just eat anything because I was really down. But did not. So that's the two things with food. Ate healthy, even though I really didn't want to. I guess I just really noticed the emotional aspect to it because I was fine. Even though I was really hungry, I was fine until my mom said that to me. And then it was like, I just want to get in the car and go and get something to eat. So that's the food stuff. Now, this morning my mom left. And she is on a flight right now, actually, on her way back to Michigan. So it was a little bit of a sad morning because A, she was leaving, but B, we're moving. So if you've seen the other videos, you know this. Wednesday, we found out we would have to move to Texas. And Thursday, we found out not only were we moving, but we had to be there on Monday. Which means we're not we're not only packing fast and furious, we are basically throwing stuff in boxes. So that's just how the move's going to be. Fortunately, we don't have to sell the house. So we're not going to, and at least not now. So everything else will stay where it's at. We'll take just the necessities, and then from there, we will figure it out. We will wing it. This is what we're going to do. My husband's sitting here nodding his head. What are we going to do?
Wing it.
We're going to wing it. So, fortunately, I don't know how God well, I do know how God put us together, but I think one of the reasons God put us together was we're both wing it kind of people. And I cannot imagine not being a wing it kind of person and being in a marriage with a wing it kind of person. So, thankfully, we're both, well, I don't know, were you always a wing it kind of person, or did you have to out of necessity?
I was adopted into it.
So maybe that's the answer. When you live with a wing it kind of person, one of you has to figure it out and adjust. So So I don't know which it was. I don't, what came first, the wing it or the adjust. I don't know. So, but all that to say, my mom got on a plane and it was visiting with mom all week. And then all of a sudden it was boom, gotta pack up and move mode. So that's what we're doing today and tomorrow with a mixture of seeing friends both days. Here's my ADD. That's making me crazy. Yeah, if you can see it, I can see it too. Making me nuts. So anyhow, we're mixing it up with seeing some friends tonight and tomorrow and what have you. So that's the plan. So tomorrow went well, but I didn't get a video out. And I guess sometimes that's just going to happen. And it's a wing it kind of thing. So we're in pack mode today. Friends of ours called and I read the text quick. They want to go to dinner. There's a Thai restaurant up the street here and I thought it said Thai. It ended up it wasn't, but I thought it said Thai and I thought, okay, well, what do I do? Do I, well, no, I can't eat for Thai. What do you need at a Thai restaurant that has a limited menu? Everything's noodles and rice. I know, okay, what am I going to do? And I thought, you know what? I'm going to go eat Thai food. I'm not going to sweat it, But being that I've been doing the low carb thing, I want to be cognizant of not, eating cheese and stuff and dairy, mainly cheese, and then go and eat carbs on top of that. So I thought, okay, I will have a day where I do my protein drinks and it will work out well because I'm packing anyhow. And I'm going to go for Thai. And I will just eat very conservatively. I'll watch, I'll stop when I'm not hungry. I'll pay attention to that. And you want to see what I looked at? You want to see what I just squirreled at? Hey, you can squirrel with me. Hold on. It's not a squirrel. It's a kitty cat. Say hi, Macchiato.
Meow, meow.
Say, don't leave without me. I'm just going to sit on these boxes. Anyhow, so I thought, well, I'll eat Thai. Like, I'm not going to, every time somebody wants to go to a certain restaurant, be like, yeah, no, I can't. I'm not going to be that person. I can't eat there. So I made the decision that's what I was going to do. Well, now, and I was at peace with it. Like my personal development coach says, peace and ease. Yep. I was at peace. I was in peace and ease. So, however, I reread the text a few minutes later and it's not Thai. They want to go to the steakhouse and I can get salmon. So I'm having salmon tonight for dinner. So what we did was we went to Waffle House because we live in the South. And when you live in the South, where do you go?
Waffle House.
You go to Waffle House. So we went to Waffle House, and I want you to know we've lived here 4.5 years, and we just started going to Waffle House in the last month. So I don't know. But we went there, and I had 2 eggs with some bacon. And I will tonight they've got salmon, and I'll get that with the roasted veggies. So I'm putting this out a little early today because I know that the day is going to go quick, and I don't want to miss 2 days in a row. But that's what dinner will be. And I also just want to say that I was pretty okay with missing yesterday. Like, I was at peace with it. I wasn't like, oh my gosh, I didn't vlog. No, I was okay with that too. So I feel good about that, even though this is an emotional weekend with its highs and lows. So, okay, I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, and I will check in with you tomorrow. God bless.